So picture this. 4 years ago, I came home from work one day and I just walked into the front door and I was like, I can't live like this now. I give up, or this can't be my life. Here's what happened. We had at that point 3 kids and the eldest was 3. Yes, our twins were at that point one and our firstborn was 3. And we had 2 house helps. And I was in this position in my life where I was feeling like, actually I was reading the book, I was reading the book, A Woman After God's Own Heart by Elizabeth Elliot, a very nice book. And in one of the chapters, she said that we need as women to create our homes to be a tapestry of beauty or something. She called it something magical like that. All I know is that she was saying that our homes need to be organized and need to be a good representation of our faith and the Lord. And I was like, my home is representing none of the above. It is representing chaos and pandemonium and stink. And mind you, I had 2 house helps. So I was like, how can I have 2 house helps? And my house is such a mess. So I went to Dr. Google and I literally typed in how to organize my home or something like that. And boom, the Flylady system popped up. And my life has never been the same again. Now, actually, the person who popped up was Diane in Denmark, who was a great teacher about the Flylady system. Now, the Flylady system was developed by an American lady, and she really just does a very good job in showing us how we can run our homes in a nice, easy, and non-stressful way. And at the end of it all, you have a clean home, you have a clean mom. Let's not take for granted that moms are clean sometimes, you guys. Even taking a shower is a luxury. And also you have all your marbles. So I went and I found it, and my life has never, ever, ever been the same again. So that's how I ended up with the Flylady system. And despite the fact that I'm a working mom and I have a house help, I have found a way to use the Flylady system. And that's why I want to share this with you, because I'm really hoping that you, as a mom, whether you work at home or whether you work away from home, whether you run a business, there is still a way for you to be able to organize your home, have it clean, know what your people are going to be eating for dinner, and not have to scramble for dinner at 4 p.m. and all that in a very easy and non-stressful and non-chaotic way. So enter the Flylady system. Please make sure you watch this video until the end, because I have a very exciting announcement at the end that is just going to help you and me take our organization game to the next level. Now, here is why you need the Flylady system to get more organized in your home and in your life. The first reason is that you don't have to come up with any way to get your home organized or to clean it, because it has been laid out for you, like in in plain form. The Flylady system, well, the Flylady herself has this website where she explains everything, literally everything, like what you need to do in the morning, what you need to do in the afternoon, what you need to do in the evening, what you need to do on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and all that. And it makes life so much easier, because all you have to do is to go to the website, check, and it's like, oh, today is Monday, so here's what I'm doing in the morning, here's what I'm doing in the afternoon, here's what I'm doing in the evening, and boom, shakalaks, your life is organized. I mean, just like that. So yes, you don't have to come up with anything. And you guys know our brains have so much that we're already processing. I mean, who has time to start coming up with a cleaning system after all? Someone has gone ahead and done this for us, and all we have to do is to do it. Boom! That's why you need this system. Secondly, the whole system is based on doing a little at a time. In fact, we are encouraged to use timers so that you only do your housework a little bit, 10 minutes, 2 minutes, 15 minutes at most, and then once the timer goes, you stop. And this is so amazing, because y'all know we are working so much, we are juggling a million and one things, and who has time to spend a whole 6 hours cleaning their kitchen, as opposed to spending 15 minutes every day for a whole week cleaning that same kitchen? Yes, that's what I love most about it, so that you can do it like, when you get from work and you're a bit tired, you have this chunk of 15 minutes and you can get something done, and you just feel like you've accomplished a lot. And honestly, me, I love feeling like I've accomplished a lot, even if it's only taken 15 minutes. So I love the fact that we are encouraged to use a timer, and it is so good because then you only get to do a little bit at a time. And over time, you will see such a magical difference in your home. You will be like, wow, like, ooh, like whose house is this? So yes. Number 3 is the weekly house blessing. Yes. So she has this thing where she says that once a week, we'll take like an hour, actually 70 minutes, to clean the main areas of your home that are mostly used. And this makes such a huge difference. So like you will vacuum the carpet, and then you set a timer for 10 minutes for each task. So you're doing 7 tasks, 10 minutes each. So you vacuum if you have a vacuum and a carpet. You know, and you will clean the windows, and you will do this. And let me tell you guys, just knowing that you have only 10 minutes to clean the windows in your house, or in your main areas, especially your living room, or if you have mirrors and all that, you will do it so fast. And then this also helps you to avoid wasting time. Like you have only 10 minutes to clean the mirrors and in the living room and the windows and all that. You will be like, so the weekly house blessing is so great because it really sets your house right. It just puts everything right. And then if anyone walks in, the main areas are looking like wow, you know. So guys will be like, gosh, the house is so nice and organized, and it only took you an hour. And if you're a working mom, you can do this over the weekend, and it will make such a big difference. I hope I am convincing you how much you need the Flylady system. And if I am, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And now let's go to the 4th reason why you need the Flylady system. Number 4 for me is a big one, and that is the fact that the home has been divided into zones. Let me tell you, I used to get so stressed over the fact that, let's say I have only one day off in a week apart from Sunday to clean my entire house, and this would just, I mean, it would stress me to no end, because I'm like, where do I start? Do I start with the kitchen? Do I start with the bedroom? Do I start with the what? The bathrooms? The outside? I mean, where do I start? But this system has divided the home into zones, and you have a whole week to clean that zone. And that zone is normally, okay, apart from week 1 and week 5, we'll get into this later. But basically, I love the fact that you have a whole week to clean, let's say, your bedroom. Can you imagine a whole week to clean your bedroom? By the time that bedroom, I mean, the week is done, your bedroom will be looking like a hotel room, my life. So I really love that, because you are able to concentrate on that one room. And then by the time the month is over, your whole house has gotten some very undivided care and TLC, and it is going to be looking so nice, and you will not have broken your back doing it, trying to do it in like a whole day, and then you're there in crutches and back braces and God knows what else. So basically, I really love the fact that the Flylady system divides the home into zones. Number 5 is that the Flylady system is very keen on us taking the time to take care of ourselves. And this for me is actually a place where I really need help, because I can tend to just go, especially if you're juggling, as we said, motherhood, employment, maybe you're also an employer, and also you have a side hustle, you know, and you know I'm big on side hustles, you guys. I mean, we gotta make some money, but sometimes I do get a bit carried away. And this system is so great because she actually has some pamper time that she says, okay, take this time to pamper yourself and do ABCD, which is really nice because some of us need to be reminded. So I love that about it, because I'm able to also remember throughout the day. We have all these reminders. Yes, drink your water. Okay, have you done your exercise? And it is so nice. So yeah, I love that. I really love that about it. Number 6 is that the evening and the morning routine mean that everyday tasks get done at a specific hour every day, and this helps you feel more organized, so that the minute you wake up in the morning, you know exactly what you're supposed to do. Yeah, make your bed, get dressed to shoes, swish and swipe your bathroom. Boom, 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 everything gets done. In the evening, you know exactly what's going to happen. You will, you know, pick out your clothes for tomorrow, finish with the laundry and everything. So your life just goes like that. You know, you end up doing so much without having, it becomes like muscle memory. So much is getting done without you having to actually think about it. And I love the morning and evening routine. By the way, if I do nothing else, If I just do the morning and evening routine, everything I just feel like, I'm done. I mean, I'm the real OG up in here, I just feel like I've done a lot, which is nice. And before I go to the main announcement that I'm really excited about, let me tell you the 7th reason why you need the Flylady system is that it is free. Yes, this amazing lady came up with this amazing system to help us all amazing women have amazingly organized homes. And then she just gives it to us for free, like it's on the internet. I mean, just go to her website and everything is laid out for free. As if she is literally training us to live our lives better, but for free. I mean, who does that? Lord bless that lady, So it is free. I mean, it costs you nothing apart from the bundles that you might choose to get online and just the willpower and, the gung-ho to get up and do exactly what you're supposed to do every single day. And gosh, bless that lady. It is so nice, and it really has made such a huge difference in my life and in my friends' life, because of course the minute I learned it, I shared with all of my friends, and we're all just one big happy just bunch of women, and all for free. How cool is that even? And so that's why we all need the Flylady system in our lives. I mean, that's just a few points. There is a whole lot more to be said about it. And luckily, she has written an amazing book called Sync Reflections that really goes deep into all these things. So if you're interested, I'm going to put a free link in the description below where you can get a free audiobook on Audible for 30 days, and you can get to listen to the book. It will just give you a bit more to learn about the Flylady system. That aside, let's go to my amazing and exciting news, which is that come the month of January, which we're already in, I am going to be doing a 21 baby steps with the Flylady system to a more organized home. Yes, the best way to get into the Flylady system is actually using the baby steps. She has 31 baby steps, but I've decided to do a 21-day version of the 31 baby steps that she has, because I felt like in this new month of January, it's a new year, we want to start the year on a high, we want to get organized, we are pumped up to get things going in the new year. It would be nice for us to do this together. So what I'll be doing is every day for 21 days, we're going to be doing one task, one baby step, and then we're going to keep adding them and adding them and adding them until by the time this month of January is over, we will be pros. Okay, maybe not pros, but we are going to be very well versed with the beginnings and the ins and outs of the Flylady system. It's a very nice place to start when you're just getting into the Flylady system. The best place to start, as I said, is with the baby steps. So here is what you gotta do, okay? When this new week comes on Thursday, I believe we're going to be starting. Thursday will be 6th of January. Yes, that's when we'll have baby step number 1. So be there or be square. And we're going to be having a printout, a free printout. I will link it in that video on day 1. Or should I link it? Actually, I'm going to link it so that you print it and have it ready for day number 1. And then we are just going to do it together. We're going to be doing it on YouTube, and we are going to be tagging each other on Instagram. So when you do the baby steps, make sure you tag me on Instagram, and we are going to be well versed. Yes. Like, how exciting is that? I'm really looking forward, because I also need to be reminded about the Flylady baby steps. Despite the fact that I've been doing it for 4 years, yes, sometimes a girl needs a reminder. So if you're interested, I will see you on Thursday. Watch another video on this channel. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Give us a like if you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.